Today on the channel, I'm going to show you how to exactly use demo trading on Zoomex so you can practice like a pro completely risk-free. If you want to receive a limited time USDT welcome offer, I recommend you create a Zoomex account with the link in the description. New users registering with our link will be eligible to receive these exclusive sign-up bonuses. Now, what is demo trading? Demo trading is basically a simulation of the real market. You're using fake money but real market prices so you can practice placing trades, testing strategies, and learning the platform without any risk. The first thing you need to do is log into your Zoomex account. You don't need to deposit any real funds or complete any KYC to use Zoomex's demo trading feature. If you aren't sure how to create a Zoomex account, we have a video on this on our page. I'll go ahead and leave a link to the video in the description. To find demo trading on Zoomex, we go up to this icon here and we can see a demo trading. We can see that Zoomex automatically asks you if you want demo trading funds. So we are going to click trade with 100,000 in demo assets. Now again, this acts like real money, but the goal here isn't just to make profit, but to learn how the platform works and build consistency in your trades. Scrolling down, we can now see our demo funds here. And if we ran out of funds or wanted to add more demo funds, we would just click request demo funds. And our demo funds have been added back to 100,000 USDT. We next want to look at the token we want to trade. We can see all the tokens that Zoomex offers. For this tutorial, we are going to trade Ethereum. In the middle here, we have the trading view chart. The trading view chart lets you price movement in real time and use tools like drawing lines and indicators to help analyze the market. Most traders use it to find better entry and exit points. On the right, we have the order book. The order book shows all the current buy and sell orders on the exchange. The green orders are buyers and the red orders are sellers. It helps traders see supply and demand at different prices. Next, we want to check out settings. We have two important settings here. We have margin and position mode. Position mode determines whether you can hold one position or multiple positions at the same time, whereas margin mode determines how your funds are used and how risk is managed for your trade. On Zoomex, there are two types of margin mode. There are cross and isolated margin. Cross margin uses all available balance to prevent liquidation, while isolated only uses the margin assigned to that trade. A quick note for Zoomex: when using cross margin, your spot and futures account are put together. So profits and losses are combined between both accounts. For position mode, we have one-way mode and hedge mode. With one-way mode, you can only have one position per pair, either long or short. While as with hedge mode, you can hold both a long and a short on the same pair at the same time. So let's say you want to open up a long on Bitcoin. With one-way mode, you can only have a long, you can't have a short. And hedge mode, you can place a long and a short, potentially hedging your position. For this tutorial, we're going to keep it simple, so we're going to keep it on one-way mode for position mode and isolated for margin mode. We are choosing these options, as isolated again helps limit your risk to each trade, while one-way mode keeps things simple so you're not managing multiple positions at once. We can adjust our leverage for our trade here. We're going to use 5x for our trade. We obviously can make two types of orders, a buy or a sell, so long or short. When you are long, you think the price will go up, so that's what you're betting on. And when you are short, you think the price will go down and you are betting on that. Zoomex has three different types of orders. We have a limit order. A limit order lets you set the exact price you want to buy or sell at, and it will only execute if the market reaches that price. We have a market order. A market order executes instantly at the current price. This is the fastest way to enter or exit a trade. And a bit more complicated, we have a conditional trigger order. A conditional order, also called a trigger order, only gets placed once a specific price is hit. This is useful for things like breakouts, take profit and stop losses, or setting up trades in advance. For this tutorial, we are going to place a market long on ETH as we want to get in and out of the markets quick. Since we have a 5x long and 100,000 in demo funds, I'm not going to use my whole balance, so we're going to trade about 25,000 worth of ETH. That's what we're going to buy. This is what our order is going to cost, and with our leverage, this is the value of our order right here. Before we make our purchase, we can see there is a box that says TP and SL. We can click on this. This is where you can set a take profit and stop loss. This helps you lock in gains and manage your downside automatically, something every trader should be using. We are setting this take profit and stop loss for our entire position. So once our trigger price is hit, we will be sold out of our position. So for me, if ETH hits $3,000, I'll be happy to exit my position. And I'm going to cut my losses if ETH goes under 1,500. We can confirm this take profit and stop loss, and now place our 5x ETH long order. We can see all the details of our order, and we can confirm it. Once your trade is live, we can see it in positions down here. In current orders is where we can see our take profit and stop loss orders. This is where we can cancel them or monitor them. Now, if we want to cancel our take profit and stop loss and close our order, we can just click cancel order for both of our take profit and stop loss positions. And under our position, we can see close by limit or market. Again, for this tutorial, we are just going to use a market order so we can get out of the market quick. We are going to sell 100% of our position, and we're going to confirm that. We have closed our full position. We can see now in our account, we have about 99,814 USDT. So we did lose a little bit on this trade. This has to do with the market going down a bit, as well as some trading fees. The biggest mistake beginners make is jumping straight into real trading. Demo trading lets you build confidence, understand the platform, and make mistakes without losing money. So I would recommend all beginners to use demo trading first before they go on to the real markets. That wraps up my Zoomex demo trading tutorial. If you want to receive a limited time welcome offer when signing up to Zoomex, you should create an account with the link below this video. The link will take you to this sign up page where you can see all the bonuses that you're eligible for. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We also have a website at CryptoWinRate.com where we have lots of crypto content and tons of educational guides for you to sift through. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.